another $1,436 in affiliate commissions today. So as you can see over here, right? If I go here, you can see February 6th, 2026, 11:40 a.m. So $1,400 in a day with affiliate marketing, promoting digital products using Google pay-per-click ads. Now let me show exactly, okay, how we are doing this in 2026 using Google. So as you can see over here, right? Why most clicks don't make money. So if you have affiliate on ClickBank or any other MaxWeb, any other affiliate network, you know that there are two reasons, right? You have curiosity clickers, meaning people who are only curious, meaning they just want to window shop. They don't want to buy. They don't want to swipe their credit cards, right? So gurus with their ClickBank courses selling you idea that you can make easy money posting weird, ugly images. It doesn't work anymore. Why? Because it's about curiosity clickers. In 2026, you need buyers clicks. Okay? Because if you have attention with intent, buyers intent, you will get sales. It's easy as that. It's simple, easy, once you have someone who can help you one-on-one. As you can see, right? Attention without intent is zero sales, but buyer's intention is ClickBank sales. Okay? So you need to have problem-aware visitors. That's it. You don't have to go viral, make videos on YouTube or have millions of views or clicks. No, you need the right type of clicks. You need the buyer's clicks in 2026. As you can see, why Google pay-per-click ads? Because people go on Google to look for solutions to their pains and problems. You have a problem, you have back pain, toothache, depression, diabetes, weight loss, manifestation, right? You go and find the solution on Google. And that's how you find text ads, as you can see. I'm going to show you later, okay? So the most important thing, again, why Google ads? Because it's the people there are actively searching for solutions to their pains and problems. Easy as that, okay? Very important. We are not targeting buyers keywords as such. For example, we are targeting exactly female or male audiences, specific age group, specific countries, and specific language. Very important, right? As you can see with one of my clients and students, I'm mentoring them one-on-one over the Zoom call. You see, we get it done together, one-on-one. Why? Because in 2026, you can just watch a course or template and expect advantage, expect any kind of good leverage, okay? Or results or sales. You need someone to show you and help you one-on-one. Another, as you can see over here, right? How it works. Google ad, for example, just an example, okay? Discover your manifestation block. We have quiz funnel. Again, functional quiz funnels. Not just any quiz funnel. Anyone can make a quiz funnel easy, simple, and say, are you male, female, blah, blah, blah. No, it doesn't work this way. You need to have the right type of audience, the right type of questions to put people through emotional states. Once they come to ClickBank video sales letter or VSL, the average order value and upsells will do the job for you. Okay? Your job is pre-selling, not selling. As a ClickBank affiliate, okay? Or super affiliate, if you want to become one. Really, really important, right? You see one of my students over the Zoom call again, we are setting up Google ads in this screenshot you can see, right? She go from $0 to $300 a day in net profit, which is not bad, right? $300 a day, it's almost $9,000 or $10,000 a month. That's yours in your bank account. Okay? You see, 5 stages of awareness, right? Unaware, problem-aware audience. So all these awareness levels, if you want to get sales, you have to understand this. Now, you don't have to learn yourself. It can be done for you and together with you, okay? Over the Zoom call, but it's very important to understand this. This is why we are different and why we can get sales in 2026. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to get results, there's my Instagram, yes, my personal WhatsApp number, my email, and Facebook Messenger. Okay? You can connect with me one-on-one after watching this video, but only if you're serious. If you're actually action taker and want to move forward, fast forward, and once for all, finally start having results with affiliate marketing in 2026.